Okay guys, we are going to go over the basic trig functions today. So remember from when we were in class, there are three basic trigonometric functions. The first one is sine, second one is cosine, and the third one is tangent. So if you remember our phrase SOHCAHTOA, sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and then tangent is opposite over adjacent. So just a refresher on the vocab, remember that opposite means across from, adjacent means next to, and then the hypotenuse is always opposite the 90-degree angle. So we're going to go over here to our question and we're going to take a look at this. So it says in triangle OPQ, the measure of angle Q is 90 degrees, PO is 97, OQ is 65, and QP is 72. What is the value of the tangent of O to the nearest hundredth? Okay, so we are going to go over here, and the first thing that we need to do is we need to actually draw triangle OPQ. So I'm going to go over here. And we are going to draw to the best of my ability, actually. Let me back that up. Okay, so there's our triangle. Sorry, that took me a minute. This is angle Q, and then we're just going to label P and O. All right, so now let's go back over here and get the rest of our information. So it says PO is 97, so I'm going to write that in. Okay, and then OQ is 65. And then the last one, QP, is 72. So we want to know, the question asks, what is the value of tangent of O to the nearest hundredth? Okay, so we are going to go over here. And here is O, that means this is our reference angle. Tangent means opposite over adjacent, so tangent of O is going to equal the opposite, which is 72, over the adjacent, which is 65. Okay, now, since it wants it rounded to the nearest hundredth, we are going to go ahead and divide that. So 72 divided by 65. Let's go ahead and hit our calculator key. 72 divided by 65. And it wants it to the nearest hundredth. That's the second decimal places. So since our third decimal place is a 7, we're going to round this 0 up to a 1. So our answer is going to be 1.11. Okay, that is the correct answer, and then it walks you through why that is correct. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to identify what trig function you're looking for. Second thing you're going to do is identify what pieces that trig function uses. And then you're just going to plug in the numbers. If you have any questions, let me know.